Oh boy, looky what we got here. Big concern here is these big chunks. Okay, today we've got a 2013 Toyota Sequoia. Unfortunately, this was at another place and they had a problem where the drain plug wasn't put in properly and ran it out of oil. So our job today is to see if we have engine damage.
Ready?
Okay, we'll let that fan settle down real quick. Okay, start feathering it. Okay. So far it's sounding pretty good. All right, you can turn it off. Okay, so our initial startup here, it's sounding smooth. I'm not hearing any clattering noise. So we'll keep digging into here. We're gonna check the oil filter. We're gonna pull the pan to see if we do have something going on.
Let's put this one back. Okay, what we have here? Let's break loose. Where is this? What? I don't know. I was expecting a little bit darker color. It is a very clear, transparent. Looks like a good viscosity, but. So we leave some oil.
Yeah, we need some in the pan.
Inside the oil pan. Okay, that's it for now here. Let's put them inside here. I left loose, you know, sometimes.
Yeah, you can feel it better.
Yeah, especially when it's aluminum. I like to be sensitive on bolts. Okay, now I feel comfortable to use the impact. There is some sparkling. And this white make me think it's like water, like condensate mixed with oil. City's color, very clear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, parts here. Oh. That's bad. The RTD, the seal, to seal
yeah,
probably
yeah.
from like this one. This one is a piece of plastic, and probably from the timing chain guides. I hope no, but looks like a piece of plastic. I want to get a magnet, so this is plastic. Okay.
Yeah.
So I see some.
You see some sparkles.
Yeah, these sparkling parts. Something is like metallic, but yeah, sometimes even from the bottom. doing like that. Let's see. And you move the magnet, and you see the. Well, it's not very much sparking parts. Let's see if we break loose. Yeah, no, this one is not going to work. Toyota, to remove the filter, the specific one.
I don't, but I believe it's over here.
And a little.
Holy. Ready? Woo. Even the color of this oil is very weird. I don't know. For some reason, I find this color weird. Okay, let's go see on the bench here.
You
Let's
want
see
a
here.
clean cut here? Let me get you a clean cut.
Oh yes. Look at here. Of course. Because this is new one. You know, it's brand new. Didn't get enough time to collect.
There we go.
something. Here the gold nugget.
Yep, there's another little bit.
There is something here.
All right. So let's just carefully have that together so we can take those pictures.
Yes.
Here, go wash your hands, and I need to get the mileage. Okay, we've got our filter out. We've got our oil pan off. Initially, we could see there's some buildup on the oil pickup screen. Let's go see what we find in the pan. Oh boy, looky what we got here. Okay. We see little bits of metallic, but big concern here is these big chunks. Now, looking at this chunk right here. Let's do a little Sherlock here. So looking at this looks like timing chain guide material. This looks like wear from a timing chain. And there's a whole bunch of pieces in here.
Nico, whoa, this should be in church, dude. This is so nice. Holy smoke. Look at that. Look, do not, Tyson, my shop woman. Tyson, you got to get it. Go get a light.
All right. I
Jeez,
just had it for
dude.
so long.
Give it to the kids, dude. Put in
And
this.
there's two on the rail here.
Put in Smithsonian, yeah. Timing chain stuff. This is my thing. I don't think, here's the thing I get to not. Hey, I'm trying to do a video over here, man. So here's my thinking. The customer, tell me the story, Tice. The customer brought it.
So it was at a place getting the oil changed, and the oil drained out of it, so the motor
Well, that's
was
what you do when you change the oil.
I know.
But
Oil ran out of it, the plug came loose.
Whoa. Slow it down. This is a story from the customer.
Yes.
So the customer actually watched the car run without oil in it. My point is, seriously, have you spoken to the customer?
I have not.
Okay, let's go find out.
So this is
Somebody
where-
drops off a car and they start telling you, tell me the story about the Sequoia.
Yeah, they told me that another company changed the oil and
Okay.
they put the crush ring back in.
They didn't put the crush ring back in
Yes.
for the drain plug.
Drain plug.
Okay, so the guy takes it out.
Drove it 30 miles
Uh-huh.
and it started making a loud racket and the check engine light came on.
Have you listened to the engine?
Yeah,
How bad is it? Is it?
it sounded fine.
Yeah. So you don't hear the chains rattling in there? So we don't have a lot of aluminum in the oil, which would tell you that the chain probably just has recently broke, because if the chain guide had been gone for quite some time, that chain would be cutting the inside of that timing cover and you'd have aluminum filings down in the oil. Why did the timing chain guide break with no oil pressure? I would think you might get air in the system and it's banging around, it's got no oil pressure on it, and the chain's just whacking it. So that's probably how it broke, quicker than it does when it's like when you're cranking on it, if you're going 2,000 RPM. Guy's lucky. So what's your thinking? Do you want to go at it with without any rod bearing, bearing matter in the filter, right? We don't have.
It's do we do engine teardown inspection or just front cover?
Well, I would think if it's an insurance claim, they're just going to say, so you've ran it and you don't have any bearing noise.
At this time.
Yeah, but make sure you put on the thing, no other problems found at this time. The engine was ran low on oil, and You know, we're not warranting the engine. We warranty the work we did, but that's it.
Yeah.
Okie dokie schmoky. Good, accurate tear down information diagnosis is so important. And sometimes what's so important is the work done before with the service writer, with the customer, in gathering accurate information to assist us in making quality decisions about recommendations on repairs, so that we don't overdo and we don't underdo, but you end up getting the best product for your money.